Alright, it's Ethan here from T.Toys. Last video, we opened up the Superplastic JANKY Series 3. Today, we're going to be opening up the Superplastic Gold Cranky. I think that's their collaboration with Sket. We're going to open this, and we're going to open up their King JANKY 7.5 over here. So let's get right into this. Alright, we're going to cut the back, just like I said, like a doctor. I got that precision. Let's open it up. Damn. Alright, backwards for y'all, you know, surprise you, turn it around, give you the real view. Let's get it out of this plastic. Alright. There it is. The gold Cranky. This is one real nice piece of vinyl. Look at the shine. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's like, it's shining off my walls and stuff. That's nice. And you can also take the top off. Give it. I really like that. I like the shakiness. I like the shaking that. I wish that this one, the small Cranky they did, shook too. Shook one. Let's put him back over there. Very, very nice. His feet move, everything. Yep. Damn. What's it say on the back there? Not puncture. Keep cool. Don't ruin it, okay? Keep out of reach of children. Kids ruin everything.
I will build it. Uh-oh, I built. Oh. Slippery.
You cannot spray in your eyes and melt, so don't even try. There is no paint inside. It's a collectible. Alright, they're real. I have to try, you know, just in case. Alright, let me see what else. Avoid open flames. This goes back to the first bullet. Take care of your things. Dries fast and smooth, professional finish. Play or display. That's very, I'm impressed with that. That's very nice. Now, Superplastic King JANKY 7.5. I'm gonna not be an animal and open up this box nicely. Let's check it out. Let's see, how am I gonna get at this here?
2 very boring minutes later.
Is what it is, close enough. So here we go, man. Also got these accessories outside of the box there. So as you can see, he's another Pharaoh, King Tut, something like that. You know, the king. And then this is him here. Let's see what sticker we got with him. This little green guy. Look how cute he is. Look at those eyes. Alright, let's get right into this. Damn, and there he is. The glow-in-the-dark version of the 7th. That's nice. That's fire. Right over here, I have the 7th here. I'll take off his mask so you guys can see.
Represent. Gotta represent. Mask on. Fucking mask off.
What I mean. So this guy is clearly, he's like a white matte finish. Gray matte finish. Bone finish. And then you can see that he's like the translucent glow-in-the-dark color. So I'll show you what that looks like after. Let me just put them together here for you. Alright. what's that? I don't know what that's called, man. I don't know what this is. His shaft. All right, let me get this in there. Man, I always have a problem putting it in their hands. You know what? I'm just gonna show it just like that. There we go. There we go. Very clean, very nice. I like it. See the difference in colorway. And I'll put a few clips in here of him in the dark so you guys can see he really does glow in the dark. I'm not lying to y'all. I'm not lying to y'all. So there we go. This was the gold Cranky. Oh man, that's nice. And the King JANKY 7.5. Hope y'all have a great day. Check out t.toys.com. Peace. Just one last thing. I was trying to put this in his hand and I stripped all the paint off and took off his arm. The add-ons are kind of hard to put in their hands, so maybe just display next to. There you go. Here's a little display I have set up. We got the gold Cranky in the background, shining as always. And we got King JANKY the 7th on the left and the 7.5 on the right. There you go. I was in line. He really does glow in the dark. I mean, it's kind of hard to pick up on the camera, but there you go. And here we go, side by side of the 7.5 and the 7.